Hello and welcome to v-lrn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 8 of Hindi 1. Topics to be covered in this session are sound patterns. We have already studied about different sound patterns in session 7 also. We'll study about the more sound patterns in whole our Hindi alphabet. The different letters we have in our Hindi alphabet. We have studied about vowels, that is swar, and how their symbols are there in Hindi language and how do we represent them in their patterns. Now after vowels we have consonants, that is vyanjan. We are going to learn sounds from each of these vyanjan, which are in count they are 33. So let us start with the first consonant, that is k. It's a sound of k. K, it's kamal. You can see k, kamal. Kamal is what? Lotus. Lotus is a beautiful flower, national flower of India. It usually floats in water. It has big leaves, round leaves to float on water. It is the national flower of India. It's very beautiful flower. Pink flower, you can see in the picture. Usually found in ponds, stagnant water sometimes, but it's a very beautiful flower. It's kamal. What do we call lotus in Hindi? Kamal. We have studied about sound patterns of vowels. You can see K-A-M-A-L. That is a small sound of A is coming with each letter. Kamal. It's kamal, lotus. Next is keet. Keet is what? Insect. Insect is what? You have seen these insects, butterfly, cockroaches, spiders, and house flies, bugs. These are all insects. So these are called keet in Hindi. We call insects as keet. Ka, keet. Long sound of E, so keet. Few more sounds with ka. It's ka. Next is kela. Kela. Kela is banana. Kela, banana. It's a fruit, yellow color fruit. It gives you vitamins, proteins. Very nutritious fruit. It's called banana. In Hindi we call it kela. It's a sound of A. Kela. Next word, kaan. With this sound pattern, ka, it's kaan. Kaan is what? Ear. It's a body part, helps us to listen, hear, to get all the things from the surroundings, to understand the things from the surroundings. It's called ear. In Hindi we call it kaan. We call it kaan. After ka, the next sound pattern, kh. It's kh. That was ka, it's kh. Kh, khargosh. Khargosh is rabbit. Beautiful small animal you can see in picture. White color, beautiful long ears, sweet eyes and an innocent face. It is usually found in burrows. Very small animal, very soft. It's called rabbit. It usually make burrows and holes inside the ground, dig the ground and lives in that. It's called khargosh. What do we call it? Khargosh. Kharbuja. Kharbuja. Kharbuja is what? Melon. You can see in the picture, melon. It's a Fruit we eat, melon, it's called kharbuja. Very nutritious fruit, gives us vitamins. Melon, it's called kharbuja. Kharbuja. Next is khana. Khana is what? Meal. We have different meals in a day. We call it khana. Have you taken the meal? That means have you eaten something? The meal is called khana. What do we call it? Khana. Next is khajana. Khajana is what? Treasure. Treasure is the gold ornaments hidden. It was usually in the times when kings were there. They have their treasure. Lot of ornaments and money and coins. That was called as treasure. Treasure is what? Khajana. Treasure is what? Khajana. Next is G. It's a sound of G. You can see G. G gives us the sound of G. It's G. So let us start with the first word with this sound pattern. Gamla. It's Gamla. Gamla is pot in which we put our plants. We take care of our plants and we grow plants in this pot. Herbs and shrubs, we grow plants in pot. Herbs and shrubs have small stem, so we usually grow them in these kind of pots. Pot is called gamla. What do we call pot as? Gamla. Next is ornaments. Ornaments are what? Gehne. Gehne are what? Women like to wear ornaments, necklace, earrings, bracelets, anklets. These are all ornaments. Women like to wear ornaments, their favorites. Ornaments are called as gehne. Gehne. Next is gulab, the beautiful flower. Rose, sign of love. Flower rose, gulab, usually liked by people, and it is a very nice smell. It has a very nice fragrance. And Chacha Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it was his favorite flower. He puts this on his coat usually. This is called rose. We call it gulab. We call it gulab. Next is cow. Cow is what? Gai. Indians usually pray cow. They call them as their mother. Cow. It is being worshipped by people, by Hindus. We call it, gives us milk also. Cow. In Hindi we call it gai. Next sound pattern is gh. That was g. It's gh. Ghar. Ghar is home, where we live. The place where we live with our family. It's called home. It's called home. So the place where we live with our family, it's called home. Ghadi. Clock. It helps us to see time. Clock. It's called ghadi. Clock gives us time. Helps us to know time. It's called ghadi. Next word with gh. Ghoda. Ghoda. Ghoda is what? Horse. Ghoda, it's an animal which runs very fast, usually used by people in earlier times to transport, because vehicles were not there. So people use it as a vehicle to go from one place to another. It's called Ghoda. Ghoda is what? Horse. Ghanti. Ghanti is bell. Bell. We usually have doorbell also. These kind of bells are also there to decorate. It's called Ghanti. Next sound pattern, ch. Next sound pattern, ch. Ch is chammach. Ch. Chammach. Chammach is what? Spoon. We use this as a utensil to eat something like rice, chow mein, to drink soups. We use spoons. This kind of spoon we use to eat. This is called chammach. What do we call it? Chammach. This is the next sound pattern, ch. Chammach. Next is chirag. Chirag is what? Lamp. Lamp, we use table lamps. It's called chirag. Chirag is lamp. It's called chirag. Ch. Chirag. Next is chashma. Chashma is what? Spectacles. For weak eyes we use spectacles so that we can see properly with the spectacles. Usually old people wear it because at old age our eyes gets weaker. But these days sometimes children also use them. Sometimes for the weak eyes. So this is called spectacles in English, and in Hindi we call it chashma. We call it chashma. Chashma. Next is tea. Usually liked by Indians a lot. It's a favorite beverage of Indians. They like to drink morning tea, bed tea, evening tea. They are very fond of tea, but usually milk tea. There are many type of tea we drink: herbal tea, lemon tea, iced tea, milk tea. So tea is a beverage drink by many people. Many people likes it. Tea in Hindi we call it as chai. What do we call it as? Chai. Chai. So these were the different patterns. Few of the patterns we have studied in this session. There are many more patterns to study, as in Hindi alphabet we have 44 letters. So in the seventh session we have studied about vowels, that is swar, and their sound patterns, and the symbol we use for their usage. In this session we have started with ka. We have studied about kha, ga, gha and cha. There are many more patterns still to be learned. So that is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. V-Learning.